Hi, Greg Gimlick from Model Aviation magazine. Here today to take a quick look at the new E-flite Carbon Z Cessna 150T. This is an all EPO foam airplane, 83 inches, all up flight with 6S is about 12 pounds. Wing loading's low at about 20 square foot. So everything is real nice. It's a tail dragger as it comes. You can optionally buy a set of tricycle gear. It comes with the Tundra tires. I got one wing lock, so I want to show you something at the root in just a minute. Easy to assemble in the field, takes about 5 minutes. Nice pop off top, plenty of access for big hands to get in. Wing slides on a joiner. Connectors are built into the wing, and I'll show you that in just a second. And then there's a retention screw that goes in from the inside. Radio is all down in there, easily accessible. Pops that back on. Huge battery access. This will fly on a 4S to a 6S pack, and there's plenty of room for everything in there. I'll give you a close-up in a couple of minutes of the inside of this. There's a lot of attention to detail on some things that ordinarily aggravate you sometimes at the field. I use 6S, I use their Smart Pack just to exploit all the capabilities of the smart system, which is in the radio and the airplane itself. Not required, it's just that it gives you a little bit extra information if you do use their smart system. I've also flown it on several other packs. I've already flown the airplane. I've flown it on 6S initially, have also done a couple of flights on 5S, but it's a 6S designed system the way I've got mine set up. It'll fly on 5S without any problem, and I'm sure 4S will do just fine too. So it's adaptable to what you've got on hand for packs at the house. I used my NX10 radio, and the manual gives you all the programming setups for all the different Spectrum radios. You can also download the file if you want to do it that way. I did it from the chart in the manual. Changed a couple of switches that I prefer for my own preference. That's all. Other than that, let me get around here to this other wing panel. I want you to see the base of this wing. You can see, hopefully, there's 3 connectors here, and they're for your flaps and ailerons and all the lighting that's in here. Slides on a joiner that goes in here. It's got locator pins to line everything up, and it only takes just a minute to slide this on. There's a quick connect pin on your strut. It slides into a bracket at the bottom of the fuselage. So all that is just super easy to do. They use ball links on all their connectors. Servos are all installed in the wings. And you can see, hopefully the light hits it right, you can see the detail on all the surfaces. So that's really about it. I'm going to try to get a couple of close-ups of something in the cockpit for you, and then we'll get the flight videos up. I've already flown it a dozen times. Just flies like a champ. This will take you from a beginner's airplane, if you tune it down, all the way up to basically a 3D, or as much as 3D as a high wing design will handle. Great offering. I think it's a winner, and I sure enjoy it. I'm going to try to give you a quick look at the inside of this battery access area. It's huge access, and one of the things I really like is they've got the Velcro on the bottom. They've also got the straps that go around, and I prefer that, especially if you're using a 6S pack and you're doing a lot of aerobatics. You want something that's going to make sure it doesn't come loose from that bottom. One of the things that aggravates me on a lot of airplanes is they'll have these straps, and they're down in here, and you're trying to get everything in, and you just struggle with them. Somebody thought about that when they designed this, and there's little Velcro tabs up on the side. So you just take these straps when you unstrap your battery, stick them up there, and you go to put your next one in, they're held in place. You just drop your battery in there, fold them over, and you're off to the races.